Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to create object on Canva for social media and especially for your Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to Canva application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Canva. After that, in the upper of the bar, there is have the For You, social media, presentation, video, prints, marketing, advice, and etc. And make it simple, you can go to the social media, click on. Okay, there is have so many social media to post for the Canva. The first one is the Instagram post, Facebook, Instagram stories, your stories, WhatsApp status, Facebook covers, and blah blah blah. There's so many for you. And then is have a more of simple and free for you. Okay, if you don't want to use the template, you can go to the plus here for your own design. Okay, click on here the plus symbol in the below, and then you can go to suggest you for the Instagram post, your story, poster, logo, flyer, and blah blah blah. You can also custom your size, and then okay, I want to post for my story, click on, and I want to use about the template, this one. Okay, and after that you can click it to edit it. And if I am done, I go to the export in the upper of the right corner. And after that, I want to go to Instagram story, click on here. If I want to directly it, if I just want to download it, I click download here. And I want to directly to send for my Instagram story, so I click the Instagram story. And after that, I continue it, click on. Okay, go to my homepage and see for my project, click on my project, your project in the below. Okay, see about the recent editing, click on, and then download it for in the upper of the right corner here. This is click on, and save image, click on the save. Don't forget to allow it, and it's yours, and it's enough. I think the editing for the social media is a great, and now ready to post for your social media. Okay, this is a tutorial how to create the object on Canva for social media and of course for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.